What if I told you that soon most consignments entering India will be cleared before they arrive? Not because of faster people, but because powerful machines checked the papers, scored the risk, and gave the green light. That's the real promise of AI in customs, and India is already on that path. I'm Kalpana Patil. Welcome to KSP Knowledge Hub. Today I'll explain where India was, where it is now, the precise challenges we face, what the government is doing, and what lessons we can borrow from world leaders. Customs in India was once synonymous with paper heavy processes, physical filing, and long dwell times at major ports. The first wave of reform, electronic data interchange, and the national ICEGATE platform removed the paper bottleneck and enabled centralized filing. That digital foundation is what makes AI possible today. Today, India has three concrete building blocks powering AI adoption: IceGate and single window, eSanchit. These allow electronic exchange of trade data and documents, which creates the structured inputs AI models need. Turant Customs, a national program shifting assessment away from desks to centralized digital units, enabling risk engines to focus only on suspect consignments. Turant is operational in phases and drives a uniform, data centric approach. Field tools like ICETAB and port automation, mobile examiner tablets, and AI OCR at private terminals supply images and machine readable data in real time, making pre arrival analysis accurate and actionable. These pieces together let customs run predictive risk scoring, pre arrival checks, and targeted physical exams, reducing random inspections and congestion. But the path is not frictionless. India faces five specific practical challenges: data quality and standardization, multiple formats across terminals, custom house agents and PGAs make model training hard. Single window upgrades and eSanchit try to fix this, but gaps remain. Interoperability across many ports and private terminals. Smaller terminals still run legacy systems, slowing national rollouts. Explainability and governance. AI risk scores must be transparent so traders can contest outcomes. CBIC and international guidance emphasize governance and auditability. Skills and change management. Customs officers need data literacy and AI supervision skills. Training is ongoing but must scale fast. Legal and privacy frameworks for data sharing. Cross agency and cross border exchanges need clear rules so sensitive trade data is protected. These are solvable, but they require coordinated policy, investment, and public private cooperation. Concretely, we already see impact. Adani Ports uses AI OCR and gate automation to read containers and documents, cutting gate times and delivering accurate digital manifests earlier to customs. IceTab tablets let examiners record images and reports during physical checks, digitizing the inspection trail and feeding feedback to risk models. And iSkate's eSanchit and single window expansions are improving document flows nationwide. These are not pilots, they are national scale building blocks. India can learn from ports and customs worldwide. Here are six concrete examples. Singapore TradeNet, National Single Window. Decades old single window with tight private public integration enables rapid, near real time processing. Netherlands, Port of Rotterdam. Digital twin, IoT, and data sharing to synchronize terminals and customs, enabling intelligent corridor planning. UAE, Dubai Customs. Rapid AI pilots showcased at GITEX, strong public private implementation. China, Smart Customs and Single Window. Large scale AI pilots and a national single window architecture supporting pre arrival decisions and joint inspections. WCO case studies document gains. South Korea. Korea's Unipass plus big data and AI programs for cargo selectivity demonstrate continuous model improvement and fast clearance for low risk cargo. Morocco, Tanger, Med, Port Community System. Integrated PCS and digital services drastically reduce transaction times and improve coordination, a useful model for public private governance. Each shows a pattern: single window data, terminal automation feeding customs, transparent risk engines, and governance frameworks. Given current programs, by 2026, India can realistically expect pre arrival clearance for verified traders and low risk cargo to become routine. Targeted physical inspections guided by mobile examiner tools, fewer random opens, better documentation, improved interoperability through single window upgrades, enabling faster refunds, joint inspections, and better revenue protection. These gains will reduce dwell time, cut logistics cost, and make Indian ports more competitive, but only if data quality, skills, governance, and investments keep pace. To sum up, India has the digital foundations and strong national programs. The next 2 years will determine whether we move from pilots to consistent nationwide AI enabled clearance. For businesses, that means better predictability and lower waiting time. For customs, it means smarter enforcement. For viewers who work in trade and logistics, the message is simple: invest in clean data, understand the new digital documents, and watch how clearance shifts from paperwork to data driven trust. If you want to follow up, comment below. Should I deep dive into Turant Customs step by step, or a case study walkthrough of Mundra's gate automation? If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'm Kalpana Patil. See you in the next video.